Merry Christmas and Happy Kwanzaa, or something like that. Merry Christmas and Happy Chrysler. We'll see what I use in the final take. In today's episode of Cooking with Justin, Martha Stewart is our special guest. Please welcome Martha Stewart, ladies and gentlemen. We couldn't afford to get Martha Stewart, so here is, she's not out of prison yet. Here is our nice little cup here. See, very nice, very seasonal. This is our Christmas episode of cooking or something. I don't know what this is. Beverage making. That's what it is. So today, please stand by as I teach y'all how to make the best Christmas drink in history. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be fun. Hold tight and enjoy. So the first thing we'll need, some nice fridge. Actually, this is the wrong step. First thing we need, bear with me, is some slightly already open Earl Grey. Looks like somebody got this before me, but it's still intact. Look at that, it's still intact. Okay, I'm gonna open that bad boy up. That was a satisfying sound. Ta-da! Wait, where's the camera? It's somewhere. There we go. There you go. There's our Earl Grey tea. It's gonna go inside the mug. Magic. And all this trash. Just go right in here. Isn't that magical? I can feel the Christmas magic taking effect already. So now we're gonna go over past the dirty dishes and past the other dirty dishes. Here is our boil water maker. I'm gonna turn this water on. This thing is very nice for people who, just don't feel like boiling water in a kettle. For those who are lazy. Not that I don't have a kettle. I have plenty of pots. I'm just a lazy bum. Okay, now I'm gonna put that on there like that. I'm trying to light. It didn't work. There we go. There's some light. Turn it on. Probably shouldn't have touched it after turning it on, but that's whatever. My hand is fine. I promise. Not this one, though. Don't ask what happened to my finger. Okay, now it's time to wait. I don't know why there's a banana and orange. This is Fruit Tales. This is Mary, the banana, and Job, the tangerine. Yeah. We're gonna go with that. You're taking forever. Well, we might as well get out our next ingredient. It's a very important one. Salsa. You can't have any proper Christmas drink without it. No, it's really honest tea. Wait. I'm not being honest with you. It's actually this right here. Beautiful Borden eggnog. Now you can use other brands of eggnog, but I might sue. Ooh, that water sounds beautiful. Now that it's boiling, we're just gonna pour it on right in there. Make sure not to pour too much, but just the right amount. About a little over half a glass should be fine. Now we can put this away. Now we wait. So, Christmas is fun, right? See, we got the place all decked out for the holidays here at Justin Labs, aka the dwelling that I'm living in. Look at that, Mr. Nutcracker and Mr. Nomeo. I don't know. Well, let's grab our next ingredient while we wait. Actually, let's not. I want it to be a surprise. So, this guy right here, you may think he's an innocent little M&M man. Oh, here he is. I mean, it looked like an anemone, but I can't do this and hold the camera at the same time. His head comes off. I was trying to show you, but it's pointless now. Would have been made for. I'm just gonna put the camera down. There we go. Having fun? I hope so. There you go. He has no brain. We're gonna make our own version of Wizard of Oz. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be a Christmas version. M&M Man has to find a brain. Then he learns all along that he's just an idiot and he never had a brain. I accidentally powered off this little camera here. Wasn't that smart of me? Well, I think it's deep long enough. Look at that. The water's getting nice and dark. The darker it is, the finer the water, or something. I don't know. I'm making this stuff up as I go, really. Oh, I didn't say that. Here we go. And trash. So now, because this is a black tea, we can forget it. So now, we need to add the sugar. Now, I like to use sucanat, because I'm a healthy little boy. And just very generous with that. Okay, there we go. Stir it all in. 50% sugar, sucanat, and 50% water. Okay, there we go. Very nice little combination there. Now we're going to add our most important ingredient, the eggnog. Generous with that as well. See how I filmed it up about the rest of the way with it? Maybe even a little more. Look at that. Ooh, that's going to be good. Hope you like eggnog, because it's a major ingredient. Sugars and spice and everything nice. Now we need a little thing called nutmeg, or, as most of you probably know it, the thing you can get high off of if you take too much of. I have not tested this theory, but I've heard it is a common thing and a well-known fact. There's our nutmeg. Just gonna douse it on top. That was a little more than I meant for. Hope I don't get high. I mean, that wouldn't be so bad, but I hear that you throw up afterwards, so don't really want that. Let's grab our stirrer. I'm just going everywhere now. There's a whole recipe and a half. And we stir that all up. Yummy, yummy, yum in my tum. I like how the nutmeg floats to the top. It gives a good aesthetic. Let's see if I can find our secret ingredient. Here it is. It's a candy cane. Let me open this up. Trash. Okay. And now we have our candy cane. It's gonna go right in there, just like that. And there you have it. The most nicest Christmas gift in the world. It tastes great, trust me. Trust me, I know stuff. That is delicious. I swear by this drink. I've never had a better Christmas beverage. I've had a couple. This doesn't even compare to spiked eggnog. Trust me on this one. This is the real deal. Well, cheers and Merry Christmas.